Good day out there, Chino Valley Cougars. Today I wanted to show you how to take a screenshot when you're on a Windows computer. So the first way you can do it on your keyboard, if you look, there's going to be a button on the keyboard, usually by the numbers, between the numbers and the letters, that you can push that says print screen. If I push that button, I know you can't see me, but I just did. Notice what happened here. I'm allowed to then adjust my screen a little bit, and then I just click. Notice it pops up this here and then it saves this in this little window here. This is a part of the snipping tool that I wanted to show you. So this is one way if you wanted to use. I also want to show you a way that I like to do that's a little more, gives me a little more control, is if I hold three keys at the same time. I'm going to do Shift, the Windows key, and S. And notice now it changes, but now I'm allowed to really fine tune where I want it to go. Whoop, that kind of grabbed a little early. But now this snip and sketch pops up, and if I click on this, notice it's going to open just that part that I snipped. So of course I would want to go a little farther if I was going to do something. But there's lots of times that you might need some text, picture, something you need to save right on your computer. If you use Windows Shift S, then allows you to capture the areas you want. And then from here, what I usually do is I'll just, if I'm going to put this in an email or something, I might just copy that, then paste it in email. I can also save it, of course, and then do all kinds of things with it. And then this will be saved on my computer. So there are probably some other ways that you can do it. My favorite way is using the Windows Shift S for screen snipping. Hope you learned something new today.